Meron tayong bagong lens. Ayun o. Yun o. Pagka wala yung lens, tapos ito pala dito to. Fish eye. Nagiging white siya. Nag-edit ako ng vlog ngayon. Iba naman ngayon sa PC ako nag-edit. Pero CapCut ba rin yung gamit ko? Para mas madali. Kasi yung gamit ko ng camera ngayon yung Osmo Pocket ko ulit. Puno na kasi yung memory ng phone ko eh. Madali sana pag sa phone. Kaya lang, hindi na kinakaya.
Love and sleep, algorithm by sheets. She shake her gluteus maximus to the flow of the beat. She a vegan and she don't eat meat. Well, that's a lie. Agave lips and they taste so sweet.
So, order na lang ako ng pagkain kasi tinatamad ako magluto din. Mag-isa lang naman ako ngayon. Doon ulit sa kapitbahay. Nice. Mura kasi doon kasi magpa-grab eh. Tapos, wala na delivery fee. Kapitbahay lang namin. So, free delivery siya. Kasi magpa-grab plus 49 pesos ata. 150 yung akin kasi meron kasamang Mountain Dew. That's it.
Love and sleep, algorithm by sheets. She shake her gluteus maximus to the flow of the beat. She a vegan and she don't eat meat. Well, that's a lie.
Sarap kasi adobo nila eh. Parang ano siya. May halo na dinugo. Hi! Good morning everyone. I'm with Blackhead. Parang pusa sa Everready ah. May little puma. Stock ng scented candles namin. Ito, bagong product. Natin bagong beso. Ganda ng pagka-black na. All natural. Organic candle. Scented candle. Pusin ko muna yung mga ginawa kong beses. So, dito tayo sa labas. Ito tayo gamit dito sa may lutoan namin. Yung mga tasik ng mantika hindi na magmama. Toothless, tatay ni Blackhead.
When I reach the summit, I lie down and stare into the stratosphere. Wonder why I'm even here, but when I tell
So, pa siya kaya gupitin natin yung mga excess.
you're on your socials exaggerating your life. I mean, you honestly don't keep the shit up when you're 35. I fucking doubt it. Put the phone down and look at the clouds. Your lips, they taste like salty lies. They're coming.
You know. Kaya lang bitid. Ganda sana isang buo to pero ubos na dyan. Ito si Un-Un. Un-Un. Si Un-Un, napulot namin sa Taytay.
Sleep algorithm by sheets. She shake her gluteus maximus to the flow of the beat. She a vegan and she don't eat meat. Take my hand, we're gonna go to Central Park as friends. Lie under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams, hey, it seems we're kind of alive. Wave our hands at every single airplane in the sky. Under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams, hey, it seems we're crossing the line.
So, today i-unbox ko yung regalo sa akin ng kapatid ko ng birthday ko. Tara. So, lang itry. Coffee.
So I try faster. Was to lose. So
Kakaship tayo ng order today. Okay, new steering wheel cover. Darwin. Hindi mo high blood.
sometimes I like to hike up mountains just to see how crazy small we are. We're so
Random lang po.
this world. So how the fuck are you still bitching about your problems? Can you fall apart? Baby girl, the liquid out your eyes rolls out your eyes. Bitch, and don't you the future's bright, but this light isn't shining for you. And when that moment comes, you will find the time you spent in cyberspace was a waste, and now you're 22. You got a big ass move, girl, you need help. All these followers, but you ain't even leading yourself. So you be getting high, bang on my line, wasting all of my time. I guess I'll find every reason why I should make you cry. The liquid out your eyes rolls right down to the source of your